Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to enable member screening on Discord Mobile. First, go to the Discord app on your mobile device. Here, tap on your profile. Now, go to the settings. Scroll down and select Enable Community. Now select Get Started. Turn these toggles on and tap on Next to proceed further. Again, select Next. On this page, you need to allow all these options. Then tap on Finish Setup. Then tap on Save on your top right. Once you're done, go back and open your browser. Here, search for Discord login. Tap on discord.com. Now, tap on the three dots on your top right. Tap on Desktop Site. Zoom in and select Open Discord. Now tap on the server. Tap on down arrow right next to the server name. Now go to Server Settings. From here, under Community, if you find the member screening, just tap on it and fill in the rules and description. After that, tap on Save and you'll be good to go. As my server is new and I don't have enough members, so I'm unable to have this option. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.